The wolf that is looking ahead. Once upon a time, in a big forest, a baby wolf was born. His name is Luke. He was the oldest of his brothers and sisters, but they were all faster and better at hunting than he.
Why am I not as good as them?
Luke often felt bad about himself. However, he never told anyone how he felt. One day, Luke walked deep into the forest and met a lone wolf. This wolf lived alone, without a pack. But he looked strong, proud, and beautiful. Luke gathered his courage and asked,
How can I be like you?
The lone wolf thought for a moment, then said kindly,
Have you ever imagined the wolf you want to be?
Luke tilted his head.
The wolf I want to be?
The lone wolf nodded.
If you know who you want to be, you will know what to do today. If you want to be strong, think about what skills you need. Then, do what you must do today to get there.
Luke's eyes grew wide.
So, I should design my life?
Yes, if you think about the future, you shouldn't waste time.
Luke remembered these words deeply in his heart. The next day, he started changing. First, he imagined the wolf he wanted to be.
If I want to run faster, how do I practice running? If I want to be better at hunting, what should I learn?
Luke thought hard and started making small changes. Every day, he practiced running. He observed how to hunt, and he worked hard, little by little. Long time passed. One day, Luke came to the fastest in his pack. He got a great hunter as well. His brothers were surprised.
Luke, when did you get so strong?
Luke raised a smile.
My past self made me who I am today.
The others looked at him with wonder. However, Luke still remembered that lone wolf's words.
Imagine the wolf you want to be, and do what you need to do today.
And then, Luke kept moving forward with looking ahead.